Main 5, 4, 5, 6. Baba muna. Diba? Swimmers in main 3. Please take learning. Okay. 4, 5, 6.
At ito po ang Unity Swim for a Cause with the Team Langoy para sa kalusugan, kaligtasan at kapayapaan. Again, yung pinakamabilis for each category, makakatanggap daw po ng trophy. And again, ang ating rule, 1 swimmer per lane at a time. So, bawal pong tumalon kung di pa nakakataas yung first swimmer. Of course, we have age category, kids 12 and under, teens 13 to 18, young adults 19 to 30, adults 31 to 50, golden years 51 to 59, at kung meron tayong mga senior citizens dito, 60 and above. Kasama sila sa ating age category for the Unity Swim for a Cause. Nangunguna ba ang lane 4? As early as now, palakpakan naman natin lahat ng swimmers for the Unity Swim for a Cause. Our friends from the City Government of Legazpi, DOJ, DepEd Albay, DepEd Region 5, Department of Health, DOST, IBP, Mariners, Blue Dolphins, PIDEA, PNP, and Red Cross Albay. Siyempre, our friends din from the Philippine Navy. And after the Unity Swim for a Cause, we're gonna have the first Ibalong Age Group Swimming Championship. So we're saying good luck sa lahat ng mga participating teams, schools, and clubs. Anong lane ba ang nangunguna? Lane 5. And once again, this event is to promote the importance of swimming as one of the best forms of exercise. And of course, para magamit natin ang paglangoy for safety, peace, and health. Still on the lead is lane 5, 6. Okay, nausa na ng lane 6. Now on the lead is lane 6. Let's have another update. Anong lane po ang on the lead? 6 pa rin po ba? Lane 6? Okay. And again, 1 person per lane lang po.
Yung mga tapos na pong lumangoy, kailangan po ay umahon po. And kasama po sa mga participants ng ating Unity Swim, we have lawyers. Yan, mga kasama natin sa kapulisan. We have students. We have a regional head na kasali po sa Unity Swim. Fiscal May is part of the Unity Swim. And of course, I think we have our friends from DOH. Yeah, we have health officers and others. Lahat po sila lumalangoy for our Unity Swim for a cause. They can use any stroke, di ba, Coach? And on the lead is lane 6. Okay. Lane 6 po ang leading. At malapit na pong matapos ang ating Unity Swim. We're down to our last 2 swimmers ba per lane? May nakatapos na po palang lane. Lane 6. First to finish the Unity Swim for a cause. Yung sa ibang lane, patuloy lang po sa mga swimmers na hindi pa nakakalangoy. At sa lahat ng mga participating teams, clubs, and schools, later on, kayo naman yung may chance na mag-warm up for the competition proper happening later. Again, this event is in celebration of Ibalong Festival 2013. Ang ating pong puno ng mga prosecutor, siya po ay lumalangoy na product of Ibalong, si Fiscal May De Leos. Lane 3. And now swimming on lane 3, Fiscal May De Leos. And her teammates cheering her on. Once again, this is the Unity Swim for a Cause. Langoy para sa kalusugan, kaligtasan at kapayapaan.
We call on all the coaches again, please. Please go to the deck now, to the starting deck. Thank you.
And we have Fiscal May. I think she's the last, second to the last swimmer ba? Si Fiscal May? Go, go, go!
Next cheer. Mag-cheer po tayo.
Fiscal May is almost done with her lap. And once again, meron po tayong 11 participating groups, or maybe not 12. Palakpakan po natin lahat ng ating mga swimmers, and we have the last one from lane 3 before we finally end our Unity Swim for a Cause. Once again, we'd like to say thank you to our friends from the City Government of Legazpi, CDRMC. Maraming salamat po. Our friends from DOJ, DepEd Albay, DepEd Region 5, Department of Health, DOST, Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Mariners, Blue Dolphins, PIDEA, PNP, Red Cross Albay, and Philippine Navy. And once again, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga swimmers for the Unity Swim for a Cause. Sa lahat po ng mga sumali, wag muna po kayong aalis for the awarding, and we will give you certificates. Okay, again, sa lahat po ng mga participants, please stay put for the awarding, and of course, we will have this photo op. At mamaya kailangan nyo po mag-sign dun sa ating Pledge of Commitment wall.